Okay, so just drag your assets into this sprite sheet thingy. Oh, firstly you need to clear this placeholder, and then you drag your assets, and hooray, you have some sprite sheet thingy. Anyway, you can do this in GIMP or other image manipulation software thing. Next, I'll just download it as a PNG and drag it into Unity right here. Okay, so very important. You have to set the sprite mode to single, not to single, to multiple, and apply. And now you have to get into the sprite editor, and here you can just drag these borders for your sprites, and you can do this multiple times till you are happy with the result. You hit apply and you have sprites, but I'm a lazy guy, so Unity can do this for me like this. Yes, Unity is pretty cool, huh? Oh, and set the pixels per unit like really low. Yes. Oh, it's blurry cause pixel art, sorry. Yeah, now it's crisp.